Hi, welcome to In and Around Computer. In this video, we are going to see about the three Microsoft products like Office 365, Microsoft 365 and Office 2021. First, we can see what is this Office 365. This branding Office 365 was introduced in 2010 to refer to a subscription-based software as a service platform for the corporate market. And this Office 365 is a cloud services platform that offers familiar Microsoft products like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive, along with other productivity services, either online or on premises via a subscription plan. That is in July, and after that, in July 2017, Microsoft introduced a second brand of subscription services for the enterprise market known as the Microsoft 365, combining this Office 365 with Windows 10 enterprise volume licenses and other cloud-based security and device management products. So again in July 2017, they introduced a Microsoft 365 which combined this Office 365 package and with the Windows 10 enterprise volume licenses and other cloud-based security and device management products. So this Microsoft 365 is a combination of this Office 365 and some other aspects like Windows 10 enterprise volume licenses and device management products. But after the in April 2020, Microsoft officially announced that this that is Office 365 was renamed or rebranded to Microsoft 365. And so this new naming convention reflects Microsoft's strategy of providing a single complete productivity platform for its customers. So this Office 365 is completely now renamed as Microsoft 365, and this Microsoft 365 has all-in-one bundle that includes MS Office Suite and Windows 10 Pro and enterprise mobility plus security for a complete interconnected experience with with lot of plans. So now we can see some key aspects about this Microsoft 365. This is a subscription service that makes sure you always have the modern productivity tools from Microsoft. So instead of purchasing a one-time license for Office 2021, we can say you pay here for this Microsoft 365. If you access that, you pay a recurring fee to access the suite of productivity tools. So this Microsoft 365 has following apps and services, that is get access to Office applications such as Word, Excel and more, and 1 TB of storage in OneDrive and minutes for calling phones from Skype. So there are various plans in this Microsoft 365 for home and personal use, as well as small and mid-sized businesses, large enterprises, schools and non-profits. And it also has world-class security, that is it includes world-class security features to protect your data and privacy. Now here we have seen the two products, that is Office 365, Microsoft 365, and now we move on to this Office 2021, that is this Office 365 is renamed, now it's not there, that is it is rebranded to Microsoft 365. So we can see the difference between this Microsoft 365 and Office 2021. That is well, now we can see what is this Office 2021. That is Microsoft Office 2021 that we use in our day-to-day life. That is it refers to the standalone version of the apps, that is which you can own forever after a one-time purchase. That is, you can own it forever once you purchase it. So this standalone version of this Office is referred to as on-premises or perpetual version that allows you to install and update the apps on one computer. So in other words, it is possible to continue using the apps through their life cycle, that is usually 5 years and beyond, without any updates. So when the time comes to upgrade, you will have to purchase a new product license again. So this is what this Microsoft Office 2021 means. That is, it is a standalone version of the apps. That is, so that that is for you once you make a one-time purchase. And now we can see the difference between this thing and this Microsoft 365. This Microsoft, as we already said, this Microsoft 365 is a subscription version that offers the same apps available with this Office 2021, but you will have some you will get some extras. That is, since this is a subscription based service, you will make a monthly or yearly payments to use the apps, so on all your devices, we can say. So however, the service is limited to only 5 connections at one time. So this has various plans. We can choose whichever plan is needed for us. You can choose that. So this is a subscription based service, whereas this Microsoft Office 2021 is a standalone version of apps, that is on premises version. So subscribe to my channel if you feel contented. Like and share my videos with your friends.